Don't take the skeleton horse. Okay. The last answer of the video was pizza.
No, I didn't use your razor.
Pizza.
You don't come back. Hey, Asus, I'm serious. You do your homework right now, or you're in trouble. That's all I gotta say.
Okay. Please stop whoever's controlling that weird owl puppet.